POWEROAD Meta Residential Battery's modular design enables easy scalable configurations. Without extra installations, you can easily extend battery capacity like playing with blocks. The Quick Connect terminal, which is easy docking to achieve the connection for power and communication. It's easy to plug and play without additional wiring. Each module with 5.04 kilowatt-hour capacity can be configured in parallel with maximum 6 PCs to achieve 30.24 kilowatt-hours per tower. And 7 towers can be connected in parallel to achieve 211.68 kilowatt-hours. To work with the inverter to output AC power for home appliances during power outages. POWEROAD Residential Battery can be paired with mainstreaming inverters, and our own developed BMS enables more inverter options based on customers' requirements.